Okay, so this is a powtoon. This is just a template. I didn't make this one, but I'm going to show you how to export it or how to share it with me. So you go up to export and we're going to click on this. And here you have some options: uploading, downloading, or sharing. And I'm going to choose share. And specifically, I'm going to choose embed. So I'm going to just click on the embed code. You can name it, add a description. You have to have a category. Education's a good one. And if you don't have the pro plan, it has to be public. That's okay. You can always go back and delete it if you're concerned about people getting your information. So you're going to click next. And again, with the pro setting, you have to show the branding. That's fine. And just the standard is good. And we're going to hit share powtoon. And then you're going to get a little screen up that's going to allow you to copy the embed code. So here it is. This is the embed code. These are different sizes. This means it's the smallest size. And you can see the 480 by 270 is right here. 480, 270, that's the code right there. And over here, this is the copy button. So I click that and now it is copied. So I have copied the embed code. You're going to go back to the discussion board or wherever you need to embed it. And I've clicked the share option, the reply option. And right here, the second one, it says insert or edit media. I'm going to click on that. And right here, it's got a spot for you to embed. And I'm going to paste that code in, click OK, and it's going to embed my powtoon. Click post reply, and the powtoon will be right there so that I can easily grade it for you. So hope this helped.